Hello students, in previous video we have discussed about types of matter. Matter is classified according to chemical composition into three types: element, compound and mixture. In last video we have already discussed about element and their types, that is metal, non-metal and metal. So today we are going to study the next type of matter, compound and their types. So students, what is compound? Compound is a substance that is formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion. Okay, we have already learned about compound in previous standard. Okay, that is 7th standard. That substance that is formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion. Okay, we know here compound is divided into simpler substance by chemical process. About elements, we have known about elements that element cannot be subdivided into simpler. Okay, but here compound can be divided into simpler substance by chemical process. So smallest particle of that compound is a molecule. We know smallest particle of element is atom. Similarly, smallest particle of compound is molecule. So this compound is divided into three types, that is organic compound, inorganic compound and complex compound. Okay, here compound is classified into three types, that is organic compound, inorganic compound and complex compound. Okay, so let's discuss about these types one by one. The first type of compound is organic compound. We know organic compound means carbon compounds. Organic compound is also called carbon compound, means the compound containing carbon as a main constituent. Okay, main component. So organic compound is also called carbon compound. Example: carbohydrates, protein, hydrocarbons, glucose, sugar, wood. These compounds have carbon as main constituent. So these compounds are carbon compounds as well as organic compound. Okay, the compounds that are obtained by plants or animal and containing carbon, okay, with carbon, that compounds are called organic compounds. Okay, these all compounds, carbohydrate, proteins, hydrocarbons, glucose, sugar, wood, these all compounds contain carbon as a main constituent. That is why they are called carbon compound also. Okay, so the next type of compound is inorganic compound. Opposite to this organic compound, the non-carbon compound are called inorganic compound. Okay, we know here the compound containing carbon as main constituent. That is why these are organic compound. But here this compound does not contain carbon as a main constituent. Okay, so that is why these are called organic compound, and it also called non-carbon compound. For example, common salt, rust, blue vitriol. Rust means ferrous oxide. Rust means ferrous oxide, Fe2O3. Blue vitriol, copper sulfate, that is CuSO4. Okay, so these all compound does not contain carbon. That is why these are called inorganic compound. Okay. Here special type of the compound is complex compound. According to name, this compound have complex structure. This compound have complex structure containing metal atom in the center. See, what is complex compound? The molecules of compound have complex structure containing metal atom in the center. See, what is complex compound? Molecules of compound have complex structure containing metal atom in the center of that molecules. The center of that compound are called complex compound. For example, chlorophyll is a complex compound, hemoglobin complex compound, vitamin B12 complex compound, because these compounds have complex structure and containing metal atom at the center of that molecules, and that is why these are called complex compound. Here in chlorophyll, magnesium metal present at the center of that compound. Hemoglobin, iron metal present at the center of that compound hemoglobin. Vitamin B12, here cobalt is a metal atom in the center of the complex structure of vitamin B12. And that is why these all compounds are complex compounds. Do you understand? There are three types of compound: organic compound, inorganic compound, and the last complex compound. Organic compound is also called carbon compound. It means these compounds containing mainly carbon as main constituent. Carbohydrate, protein, we also know carbon is a main constituent in carbohydrate, proteins, lipid, etc. Here hydrocarbon means the compound containing hydrogen and carbon only, and that is why it is organic compound or carbon compound. Glucose C6H12O6. This is the chemical composition of glucose. It contains carbon C6, okay, and that is why it is organic compound. Sugar C12H22O11 C12. It means it contains carbon as a main constituent, so that is why it is organic compound. Then wood, it is made up of cellulose. So these all compounds are organic compound as well as carbon compound. Then next, inorganic compound. Here common salt, rust, blue vitriol, common salt, NaCl, rust, Fe2O3, blue vitriol, CuSO4. This all compound does not contain carbon as a main constituent, and that is why these are non-carbon compound as well as inorganic compound. Then the third, complex compound. The molecules of compound have complex structure containing metal atom in the center of that molecule. For example, chlorophyll, magnesium present in the center of chlorophyll, hemoglobin, iron present at the center of the complex structure of hemoglobin, then vitamin B12, cobalt at the center of complex structure of vitamin B12. Okay, so write down in your notebook these all types of compound. Students, after compound, the third type of matter is mixture. So what is mixture? A substance formed by mixing of two or more elements in any proportion. Any means different proportion. Okay? A substance formed by mixing, not chemically joining. In compound, we have seen the definition. The substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed proportion. But here the definition is a substance formed by mixing, only mixing two or more elements in any proportion, not in fixed proportion. Okay, in any proportion, in different proportion. So then there are two types of mixture. First one homogeneous mixture and second one heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, there are two types of mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So first, what is homogeneous mixture? The mixture containing only one phase. The mixture containing only one phase is called homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous mixture, the mixture containing two or more phases is called heterogeneous mixture. See the example. Here homogeneous mixture, salt solution. Here salt solution means salt in water. Sugar solution, sugar in water. We know salt and sugar completely dissolve in water. Okay, by completely dissolving, they form a single phase. They form only one phase. That is why these are homogeneous mixture. Here, salt and sugar are uniformly mixed into mixture. Okay, so what is homogeneous mixture? Here, the constituent of mixture are uniformly mixed throughout the mixture. That is why they are called homogeneous mixture. So they form a single phase, that is one phase. So salt solution, when salt dissolved in water, we see only a single phase. Okay, we cannot separate by our eyes salt and it is salt and it is water. Okay, it gives a single solution, single phase after dissolving salt into water. Okay, but here see in heterogeneous mixture they contain two or more phases. So what is heterogeneous mixture? The constituent of mixture are not uniformly mixed into mixture. So let's discuss example. Sand in water. Sand does not dissolve in water, so it forms two phases, that is sand, first phase sand and second phase water. We can see these two phases with our eyes. So this is heterogeneous mixture. The second example, oil and water. Oil and water does not mix uniformly. Okay, so that is why it is heterogeneous mixture. Okay, here salt and sugar completely dissolve in water, but here sand or oil does not dissolve in water, in both conditions, and that is why they forms two phases. Okay, not a single phase, and that is why these are called heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, constituent of mixture are uniformly mixed. And here constituent of mixture are not uniformly mixed into mixture. It contains or it forms one phase, and here it contains or forms two or more phase. Okay, so these are the types of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture of these type of matter mixture. So in the next video we will discuss about the types of homogeneous mixture and about types of heterogeneous mixture in details. So write down in your notebook.